2021 has already been a big year. Tom Brady, Super Bowl MVP, Tampa Bay winning the Super Bowl at home, Dogecoin going off the charts, and Zipline has already set a bunch of records in 2021. All this and more right now. And welcome back to the Do You Know Drones podcast. I'm Jason, your host, and this week we are talking about Zipline. Zipline, we talked about 2 years ago, Zipline delivering blood supplies in Rwanda. You can even check out the cartoon that I made right here. So why is this important? They have set more records in 2021. They're getting ready to start delivering COVID-19 vaccines in April. That's hot off the press. They expanded their operations for delivering blood supply and medical supplies in 2020 to now delivering over 1 million doses of vaccines in 2021. They've also flown over 10 million kilometers in operations and signed a new contract in Nigeria. This is just amazing. Zipline, my hats off to you. Congratulations, you have demonstrated the value of drone technology in enhancing global healthcare. Once again, if you want to keep this content going, make sure you like, subscribe, and share with all your friends, and we'll keep it coming to you every week. Next week, we are going to be comparing head-to-head some commercial drone processing engines, drone deploy versus measure ground control. So be sure to join us next week when we show you the ins and the outs, and I give you my thoughts of which one is the better program overall. If you have questions about what drone technology can do in your organization, or you're just looking for a place to get started, please be sure to follow this channel. I'll be happy to share every piece of information that I had for you in my 8 years in this drone industry. My goal is to break it down and share it with you in tiny little increments. So we'll catch you next time for the Do You Know Drones podcast. Have a great week.